Hello. 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 Hello traders, let me know if you can hear me. I'll be starting the session promptly. Alright traders, welcome back to day 6 I think of the £20 challenge. As you can see, we're about 60% in profit, just over 50%, and yeah, so we're just gonna go with the trades today. As you can see from the plan, we've just hit the target of £30.64. We're a little bit over that, so we're going to be aiming for between £34 to £38 today. We're going to be investing 5% of £31.49, which is £1, around £1.60. So let's just input that into all of our. Alright, so the main 3 pairs I'm going to be using are these 3. So let's just give the session a go. You can see I've kind of already drawn in some of the key levels. Okay, as you can see here, I did expect a breakout here from the triangle pattern and a test of this structure, but I didn't expect it all to be in one candle movement. So let's just look at the 5 minutes. Okay, so for this is very risky trade right now. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to wait for the close and then judge what to do. I'm thinking the next 5 minute candle would be a shoot up if it does close outside of this triangle. Okay, so with Euro USD, as you can see, price did break through this little triangle here, and it has shot down. But there was a little retest of the structure a little bit. But what I'm waiting for is a significant touch of the level before going back down. For Euro JPY, I don't really see too much going on at the moment. It's pretty much just range bound in. Just wait for it to touch a significant level and then we can make a decision on what to do. I do think there will be a downwards push though, so if this 5 minute does close red, there could be a potential downwards momentum. Okay, as we can see here, Price has completely rejected this zone. It's completely rejected the bullish movement and is finishing red. There's about 10 seconds left. If it does, we could look for a put entry somewhere around here. So let's get the 1 minute chart up. Okay, so there was a triple test of this resistance here, and price is closed inside the triangle. So what I'm going to do is I'm actually going to wait for a confirmation candle, or maybe a retest of the upper region, and then go for the short. Okay, as you can see here, Euro USD price has broken through, it's touched, and it's deciding what to do. At the moment, RSI is in the middle, and the awesome oscillator is pretty much saying it is downtrending, but it's been quite, the momentum isn't quite there. The parabolic is saying it's going up, so we'll just see what's going on. I might check out AUD USD, see what's going on here. Put on 5 minutes. As you can see, the market today is just disgusting. This is just not great conditions to be trading in. If I wasn't doing a live stream, I probably would just avoid this session completely. But as we're doing this challenge, I said I'd stream at 7 every day this week, so that's what I tend to do. Okay, so I can't really find too many opportunities with Euro JPY at the moment. Euro USD has retested the structure. There could be a put coming soon. USD CAD is pushed back into the zone. Okay, so this was actually the pullback I was looking for. So I will be looking for a 1909 put, and I'm going to be entering a put next time it touches up here for 1910. The next time it touches this line, guys, just enter as soon as you can. It still needs to reach. Still hasn't touched this upper zone. Still waiting. We might just wait for the close. Okay, we're gonna wait for the close. Okay, that's great. Oh, okay, so it looks like we missed it. That's fine. We're just gonna still wait for the close because, as you can see, price is very volatile. Still gonna wait. Okay, so that was good candle, so we're just waiting for the next push up, and then we're just gonna go for a put. It can even reach up to here and we can just enter the put, guys. Let's just hope it does. Just one more push. I didn't push high enough, guys. There's no point in risking it. The market isn't great, so I'm just going to avoid this one. Let's look for the next opportunity. Okay, so the price didn't do exactly what I wanted it to do here. This could be extended up to here now. This can be extended. Well, this is pretty much not even a pattern, so I'm going to close that. Okay, so as you can see, there's a little triangle formation here. As soon as it retests this structure up here, I'm going to do a put. Okay, so this 5 minute candle did close up there, but I'm looking for a put now. Okay, if it ideally I want it to touch up here, and then I'll look for the put. But let's just see. Okay, so what AED USD is telling me is that even though it's range bounding, RSI has been quite low. It is now in the 50 region, so it's deciding what direction to take. And the awesome oscillator is going red, and it's almost filtering out. So it's looking like there could be a reversal here. So we could wait and see what happens here. Okay, so USD CAD is looking like a short. Okay, yeah, so it's looking like a short soon. We'll just see how it goes in this candle. Just gonna wait and see how this candle closes. And if it closes how we want it to, so we'll just enter a call. The only problem is, why I'm a bit skeptical, is because as you can see, the awesome oscillator is saying it's about to reverse, it's about to move up to the upside, so we just don't want to be caught out there. So we're just going to wait it out a little bit. And also the parabolic is saying it's going up, and this is saying it's going up, and RSI has dipped already, so just going to wait. I see a little formation going on here. Oh my, sorry. For some reason I'm having some problems with this app today. It's not letting me. Okay. So it's doing something a bit like this. A little bit like this. So maybe if we see a structure up to this level, touch of this level, we go for a put. Okay, so price is tested back in this structure. Okay, so the breakout that I suggested, USD CAD. Okay, so USD CAD did touch up here, and there was meant to be a put entry, so we're just gonna wait, see if it touches again, and then we're just gonna enter. Okay, so we've entered for 1 minute for 19.15. See how it goes. It's currently in the money. Looking at Euro USD, price is literally moving along this line. On the next candle, I'm expecting it to be a green one. So if we look on the 1 minute, we should look for an entry. I may go for another entry here if it, in another 30 seconds. If it does go out of the money, I'm just going to go for another entry because I'm pretty sure this is going to close in the money. Okay, so it's touched out. Oops, I got a bad rate there. I was meant to catch it up there. Didn't need. Okay, so I'm just gonna let that one run because I didn't mean to get that rate there. As you see, the markets are very, very volatile at the moment. It's very risky markets. If anything, you should stay away today. Anything can happen. Okay, as you can see, price did close in the money. That was basically 2 trades that we executed. So as you can see, we're 2-0 up. If you could just write your results in the chat, that would be great. 2-0. As I said, I was pretty sure that it was going to close in the money. But as you can see, the market here is just dreadful. Absolutely dreadful. There should be a core breakout, I think. There's a lot of upside rejection though. However, there isn't many bearish candles. Also, my oscillator is saying it's about to flip onto the other upside, so we'll see. See what other setups we have. Euro JPY. Euro JPY hasn't been moving a lot, so we'll just skip on. AUD USD is range bounded. Just missed out on our resistance there. We'll just see how this candle closes. I will. Okay, as you can see, the market's payouts have just dropped dramatically. I don't know why that's happened. It's very odd. Usually around this time, we've been trading around this time for five days now, over a 2-week period, and it's always been in the 70s. Add another pound onto that will make it 34.08. Okay guys, so we're just gonna go for one trade basically because the payout is dreadful. I was gonna compound it, but it's really not worth it at this payout. So what I'm actually gonna do, I'm just gonna go for one trade, and I'm just gonna end the session there. Sorry for it being short. This payout is just really not worth us trading. The risk reward ratio is just dreadful. If you want more signals during the day, obviously join our Telegram chat. We have plenty of signals given out during the day. As you can see, this is my stream here, but as you can see during the day, we had a 3-0 session by our other admins. 2-1 the day before. 3-1. As you see, we're always in profit, guys, so make sure to join our Telegram. We have a binary one. We have a FX one. Our FX one is our most popular one with over 65 members. If you want to join, just feel free to join. If you want a recommended broker, all the links are in the description below. I do recommend my favorite one, which is 24 options. The link is in below. It does help me if you sign up. And we also have a crypto discussion room and crypto channel. As you can see here, we just give out news and analysis, etc. So yeah, feel free to join those, guys. It's up to you. As you can see here, payout is just dreadful. I may have to change the times of when we trade because, first of all, the market condition is just we shouldn't be trading. I've never seen these candles before. What's going on? There's actually grey candles on IQ options. What's going on? Okay, so I think these are draw candles. I've never seen these before. If I scrub through here on your JPY, as you can see, oh, there's one here. I've never actually seen these before. Usually they end up red or green, so. We'll just go for one more turbo signal, it looks like. Okay, as you can see here, there isn't really any opportunities, guys. The payout is too low. I'm just going to end it here. We're a little bit short of the target, but it doesn't look like we can get in anywhere, to be honest. Okay, so I'm looking here, Euro USD. If it does touch this region, I could go for a call. You know what, I'm going to go for the call here, just for £1.06. I'm on the 1 minute charts. Okay, I'm just going to look at the 5-second chart for confirmation. Okay, that was a good confirmation. I'm just going to wait for the 30-second candle. Okay, it did close green, but it was too bullish for me. I just can't trade that. Just going to wait for a little pullback. As you can see, it did break out, but looks like there'll be a pullback here. Just going to look at the 5-second. This market is dreadful. Okay guys, I'm going to enter. That was a risky entry. If you entered for the next minute because you missed it, you're probably most likely to be better off. It's looking like a loss. Okay, so we didn't win that trade. So what I'm going to do is we're just going to double up on the next one. If we win this, it will make it 4-1, and then we'll call it a day. I'm going to enter here. So I've entered the trade, guys. See how it goes. Okay, so that ended as a draw. I'm just going to end it here, guys. This market is just unbelievable. We can't be traded in these conditions. Impossible. Alright, guys. Take care. See you tomorrow.